Hello friends. Today we are giving you information about all planets in the universe. First of all, we request you please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Earth to Sun distance 149.60 million km. Earth orbits the Sun at an average distance of 149.60 million kilometers, 92.96 million miles, and one complete orbit takes 365.256 days, one sidereal year, during which time Earth has traveled 940 million kilometers, 584 million miles. Ignoring the influence of other solar system bodies, Earth's orbit is an ellipse with the Earth-Sun barycenter as one focus and a current eccentricity of 0.0167. Since this value is close to zero, the center of the orbit is close, relative to the size of the orbit, to the center of the Sun. As seen from Earth, the planet's orbital prograde motion makes the Sun appear to move with respect to other stars at a rate of about 1 degree eastward per solar day, or a Sun or Moon diameter every 12 hours. NB1, Earth's orbital speed averages 29.78 km per second, 107,208 km per hour, 66,616 miles per hour, which is fast enough to cover the planet's diameter in 7 minutes and the distance to the Moon in 4 hours. Earth to Moon. Distance 384,400 km. It takes about 3 days for a spacecraft to reach the Moon. During that time a spacecraft travels at least 240,000 miles, 386,400 kilometers, which is the distance between Earth and the Moon. The specific distance depends on the specific path chosen. Earth to Sun distance 149.6 million km. Sun 330,000 bigger than Earth. The Sun is at an average distance of about 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers, away from Earth. It is so far away that light from the Sun, traveling at a speed of 186,000 miles, 300,000 kilometers per second, takes about 8 minutes to reach us. Earth to Jupiter distance 360.71 million km. It took just over 6 years to reach the gas giant, arriving in December 1995. But the craft took a very circuitous route, traveling a distance of 2.5 billion miles. It traveled around Venus, Earth, and the asteroid Gaspra to reach Jupiter. Earth to Mars distance 250.33 million kilometers. How many years will it take to get to Mars? The total journey time from Earth to Mars takes between 150 to 300 days depending on the speed of the launch, the alignment of Earth and Mars, and the length of the journey the spacecraft takes to reach. Earth to Saturn distance 1.4101 billion kilometers. The distance to Saturn from our planet is constantly changing as both of the planets travel through space. When the two are closest, they lie approximately 746 million miles, 1.2 billion kilometers, apart, or 8 times the distance between the Earth and the Sun. In the past, spacecraft have taken greatly different amounts of time to make it to Saturn. Pioneer 11 took 6.5 years to arrive. Voyager 1 took 3 years and 2 months, Voyager 2 took 4 years, and the Cassini spacecraft took 6 years and 9 months to arrive. Earth to Neptune distance 4.6521 billion kilometers. How far away is Neptune? The distance from one planet to another is constantly shifting because both bodies are moving through space. When Neptune and Earth line up on the same side of the Sun, at their closest, they are only 2.7 billion miles, 4.3 billion kilometers, apart. Earth to Pluto distance 4.312 billion kilometers. At its most distant, when the two bodies are on the opposite sides of the Sun from one another, Pluto lies 4.67 billion miles, 7.5 billion kilometers, from Earth. At their closest, the two are only 2.66 billion miles (4.28 billion kilometers) apart. Thanks for watching till end. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.